Hello, a very good morning to you. Rather cloudy skies here in the northwest today and a fair breeze picking up across the region. As we can see on the satellite and radar image, there's certainly rain circling around us as well. As we go through this afternoon, lots of places will have dry weather, but expect there to be some patchy rain and drizzle for northern parts of Lancashire, Cumbria by the end of the day, and a really gusty southwesterly wind picking up along Irish Sea coasts. Inland, maybe getting to 17 degrees. It's not feeling incredibly warm today. And as we head through into this evening, further spells of rain in the far north of the region, but elsewhere staying dry for the bulk of the night. 1 or 2 showers feeding through into the early hours of Thursday morning, and these will merge at times. As we get towards dawn, it remains blustery and pretty mild, 12 or 13 Celsius. On to tomorrow, not the best day, it has to be said. Showery rain around at first, briefly a little quieter through the middle part of the morning, and then wet and breezy conditions moving in across the whole patch during the afternoon. 1 or 2 heavy spells of rain contained within it, so there's likely to be some tricky driving conditions where we find surface water and spray. Cool again, 15 or 16 Celsius in that wind, not feeling great, but temperatures will be picking up as we get towards the weekend. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good afternoon. Rather cloudy skies for many of us today, but there are a few glimmers of brightness out there. 16 or 17 degrees across northern parts of Lancashire and Cumbria as we go through the rest of the day. Could be a bit of drizzle, and there's a really blustery wind picking up along Irish Sea coasts around the Isle of Man over the next day or two. Back to the details as we head into this evening. Northern areas will have some rain. Elsewhere, a feed of showers across the northwest, cloudy skies, a mild and breezy night to come. It'll be quite showery to start the day tomorrow, and then a spell of rain moves in by the middle part of the afternoon. Some of that rain will be heavy as we go towards tomorrow evening's rush hour, accompanied by gusty winds. Bye-bye. And the next 24 hours will offer rather wet and windy conditions for our turning leaves here in the northwest. The forecast will be later on in the programme. Hello, good evening. An unsettled 24 hours ahead weather-wise for us in the northwest, with a spell of rain tomorrow and blustery conditions. Into the weekend, our weather in general will be settling down. The jet stream will shift position to the north, allowing a feed of very warm air to move up from the continent. For us on Saturday and Sunday, temperatures will be in the low 20s Celsius, and it will be fine and settled. Back to this evening, outbreaks of rain across parts of Cumbria and a feed of showers across many other parts of the northwest overnight tonight. It'll be cloudy, breezy with some hill fog no doubt in the Pennines and the Peak District before tomorrow morning. And a mild night to come, 11 or 12 degrees. Those are tomorrow's sun times. It'll be rising at 7:19, setting at around 20 to 7. Tomorrow, a cloudy start to the day, outbreaks of showery rain from the word go and a foggy start in places. A more organised band of rain will move in from the southwest by mid-morning, and tomorrow afternoon will be very wet on the roads with lots of surface water and spray. That rain accompanied by blustery winds, and temperatures at best tomorrow 16 Celsius, but it is getting warmer through the week. Bye-bye.